95% guys in my gym don't know how to perform a lat pull down properly. Let me fix this once and for all. The first mistake y'all are doing is taking a narrow grip. Just take a wide grip, guys. Like literally, just take a wide grip. A wide grip will help you to perform the movement in a frontal plane, emphasizing more on your lat. Second thing where you guys fuck up is your posture. Take it while performing, should not be arching your back. ये नहीं करना है क्या करंजी है क्या? Just be upright. ठीक है सीधा बैठ. The third thing where you guys go wrong is leaning back while performing the exercise. ऐसा नहीं करना. नहीं करना है. This is not the correct form. ठीक है. Just sit straight and pull it directly नीचे. उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है तुम्हें. आगे पीछे होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just sit straight. जितना तुम लोग बैक को आर्च करोगे और जितना तुम लोग lean back होगे while performing the movement, उतना it will become a upper back row. It will target more on your upper back, which is not what we are targeting here. The exercise we are doing is lat pull down. ठीक है, तो lats को target कर रहे हैं हम लोग. The fourth and the last and the biggest mistake y'all are making is not using straps. Please use करो. Please, I'm begging you all. You all are literally leaving gains on the table. Sorry. Bye.